Hello and welcome back to the Makeup Lounge. Hello, welcome back. For those of you that do not know me, my name is Christine Santos and I am a beauty influencer with Farmasi Cosmetics. This is an amazing direct sales company. It has really afforded me a lot of opportunity. It has certainly helped to build up my confidence, and at this point in time, I am looking for go-getters to join my team. My team are the Glam Elites. That is the name of my team. And as I said, I am looking for go-getters, both men and women, to join my fantastic team. I decided to put this video together because I want to talk to you guys about some of the amazing opportunities that Farmasi presents. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So you're probably wondering, why is now the perfect time to join Farmasi? And I am going to tell you. It is the perfect time to join the company because the company is still very new and it is still growing. Just this year, April 1st, 2020, DSN Global 100 ranked us 32 in the largest direct sales companies in the world, okay? Number 32. Farmasi is absolutely amazing, and with an investment of just $19.99, you can own your piece of the pie and your very own business with Farmasi. I'm telling you, it is absolutely amazing. So what do you get for your $20 investment? That's what we're going to talk about today. For starters, the first thing that you get is a kit. So the first thing you get is your starter kit. This is what the starter kit looks like. This is the woman's starter kit. We also do have a men's starter kit. The starter kit is similar to this, except that it contains more male-directed products, and the box is black. The box is black. So this is our female starter kit. This is our starter kit that's $19.99. Inside of the kit, you get a ton of information, okay? So you, of course, get catalogs. So you will get catalogs in your box. You'll also get informative information about some of the Farmasi products that are available right now, such as our keratin hairline. You will get a small welcome letter that says, "Welcome, new entrepreneur." You will get an opportunity book. This opportunity book is golden. This is like a Bible right here. This is going to tell you all the various ways that you can make money and the various ways that you can grow your business. Okay, so this is the opportunity book that will explain all of that. You also get a colors catalog, okay? This is amazing because it gives you a detailed description about all of our products, our foundations, our liners, our face creams, our mascara. So there is a description in here of all of those products. You also get this in the box. And then you get this really cool little lip kit with 14 different samples. Okay, so in here you have all kinds of samples. You have matte lipsticks, you have true color lipsticks, you have intense color lipsticks. So it's a variety of lipsticks. They are all small. There are 14 in here. These are trial sizes, and trust me, this is plenty of product, okay? Plenty for you to show off those colors to your amazing customers. Aside from that, you also get samples. Now, every box varies, so every box will contain different samples, okay? So you can get VFX samples, you can get Dr. C tuna samples, you can get our garlic shampoo samples, CC cream samples, which is one of our light foundations. You can get our Stay Matte samples, BB cream samples, or you may be so lucky that you will get some of our keratin shampoo samples. So you do get a variety of samples in your kit that you can try out, which is pretty amazing. But this is everything that comes inside of your kit. And this is, of course, in your $20 kit. So why else should you join Farmasi? Here are all the reasons. You do not have to keep inventory. That is amazing. Most of us do not have the space to have a million other products in our homes. So you don't have to worry about keeping inventory. The amazing thing about Farmasi is that as soon as you click that sign up button and you become a beauty influencer, you get your very own replicated Farmasi site. Yes, you get your own site with your own code that you can share with your customers and immediately start earning your 50% commission on each of those sales. I mean, come on. This is absolutely amazing. So this is all a part of that $20 investment. So you get your free replicated website that you never have to pay maintenance fees on, that you never have to pay monthly service fees on. You get customer service because Farmasi takes care of all of the customer service. They take care of your returns. They take care of your inventory. They take care of your shipping. They are your right hand. All you have to do is get your customers to your website, have them complete their orders, and Farmasi will take care of the rest while you earn that 50% commission. Amazing, right? I know. As soon as you also click that sign up button, you start getting your 50% discount. That's right. Every single item in our catalog you can purchase with your 50% discount. And there is no limit as to what you can order and how much of it you can order. That is amazing. So you get no inventory harassment, customer service that is all handled through Farmasi. You get your 50% commission, your 50% discount. You get your replicated site, and you get to sell and wear amazing high quality makeup at an affordable price for everyone. So when you're out and you're feeling fabulous and you're looking glam such as this today, and someone says, "Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Where'd you get it? How much did it cost?" You don't have to be like, it cost me an arm and a leg. You can say, "This is amazing high-end makeup at an affordable price." And guess what? If you want to join my team, you can get all of this at 50% off. What you think about that? Amazing. I'm telling you guys, this is the absolute perfect time to join Farmasi. The company is growing so rapidly. We will be opening new warehouses in New York, in New Jersey. We're going to be bringing all types of new apps that will make it easier for you to try out our makeup in advance in a virtual form. I'm telling you, there's so many amazing things coming. We have lashes coming in the fall. We have new palettes coming out. The opportunities are endless. You can sell Farmasi anywhere, on the go, at the doctor's office, at work, at church. I'm telling you, the opportunities are endless. And the best part is that it only takes you $20 to own your piece of the pie. I am telling you, this is $20 that you will not regret spending, and you will make your money back. You will most definitely make your money back. As a new sign-on, Farmasi wants to help you. So they even started a welcome program where in your first 4 months, which are crucial to growing your business, those first 4 months, if you hit certain goals, Farmasi will award you with free products that will help you in your business. I'm telling you, this is amazing. And it is the same opportunity that is afforded to everyone for the same $20 investment. So this business is literally as small or as big as you would like it to be. You get a team building bonus. That means when you introduce people to Farmasi and tell them how amazing it is and they join your team, Farmasi gives you a bonus and says, "Thank you for sharing this opportunity with someone else." That is amazing, guys. It is an amazing, amazing opportunity. And aside from your team building bonuses, guys, there's also personal bonuses. There are group bonuses. There are leadership bonuses. There's even a car allowance. That's right. You heard me correctly. Farmasi will even award you at a certain level with a car allowance. The opportunities are endless. There are cash bonuses, and there's even a founders club, okay? If you make it into the founders club, so let me tell you, the club is open to the first 100 entrepreneurs that hit the director title. And as a part of the founders club, this is what comes with your membership: a free trip to Turkey to visit our facility and production centers, a free exclusive training on all of the products in detail by the professionals, free shipping on all of your orders, free monthly samples. Your free website will get additional exposure, free leads, and opportunity event invitations. You also will get early access to all new products. That is amazing. That is definitely where you want to be. You definitely want to make it into that founders club. So guys, I appreciate you taking the time out to go ahead and watch this video. I am super duper excited to be a part of Farmasi. As I mentioned before, my name is Christine Santos. I am a beauty influencer. The name of my team are the Glam Elites, and there is certainly space on my team for you. I will provide you with training. I will give you the tools that you need. I will link you up with the groups and the people that will help you to succeed in this business. I promise you that your $20 investment will grow and grow and grow. All you have to do is give a little of yourself, tell people about this amazing makeup just by wearing it, and I promise you, you will see your business flourish. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment down below or send me some sort of message. I will definitely go ahead and leave my email in the link so that you guys can message me directly. But as I said, I am looking for go-getters, both male and female, to join my team, and we are the Glam Elites. Farmasi is absolutely one of the best direct sales companies to work for, and you will certainly not regret investing those $20. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.